And it also became really clear that ideally we would like to fund all of them, but we weren't going to be able to. And so we thought about this. And what we want to do moving forward is that we know that there will be funded and unfunded projects, and over the course of the next year, between Mozilla, Haystack, and MacArthur, we will hold a number of workshops in person and online to bring together this community of the funded and unfunded partners too as well. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to David to talk a little bit about the competition.
So good evening. The competition ran in a somewhat complex integrated way. There were a number of elements and stages to it. The first thing we did, so the main component of the competition was the Badges for Lifelong Learning component, which was supported by the MacArthur Foundation. And that consisted of 3 stages, as Anne-May has hinted at. The first stage was identifying learning content for which badges would be an appropriate way of recognizing, motivating, and rewarding learning and its pathways. And we got really hundreds of applications for that round of the competition, and selected about 60 folks to go forward from that stage. The second stage was badges and badge systems and badge ecology design. So it was really concentrating on the design aspect of badging and the development aspect of badging in relation to, but not reducible to or limited to, the kinds of learning content that forwarded from stage 1. And then the third stage was matching stage 1 and stage 2 folks in teams, partnerships, collaborative engagements, and it was those folks in these teams that we brought forward to the last 2 days of working together and making these live pitches before a panel of judges, none of whom was Steve Tyler. Having said that, that was the kind of one component of the and the sort of major component of the competition. And we've rewarded a bunch of projects coming out of that, as we'll announce in a minute. A second set of components was supported by the Gates Foundation, and that involved a teacher mastery competition. And there we were looking for badges, badge design, systems, and so on, badge development, in relation to recognizing teachers and excellence in teaching in various sorts of